In this video, we will discuss about effective use of white space in WordPress design. Website design is of course always seeking to find a sweet spot between appearance and efficiency. Whether you are a beginner blogger or an advanced developer trying to achieve this, the challenge remains the same. WordPress design is particularly through is good with white space. So, for a great example of a site using white space well, you don't have to use a blog name theme for this. Feel free to experiment. Another great thing about WordPress is just how widely it's used. This results in a preponderance of users giving a wealth of tips on what makes for a rapidly understood website. Next, we will discuss what is white space. To an extent, white space is as it sounds. It is what is on the page where there is an absence of content. However, don't be fooled into thinking that this space has to be white. No, it can be any color you like. WordPress offers excellent custom color pointers regarding what it works best in your project, including of course the white space who you decide upon. As an example, it's worth looking at the fabulous use of color options. In the white space is the National Museum of African Art site created with WordPress design. They form a quiet background that serves the complement the feature images beautifully. So, white space is a space of any color that is without on the face of it much function. Types of white space. First, let's take a look at the varieties of white space you can encounter. Micro and macro. The former is the relatively small amount of white space that makes comprehension fundamentally possible. This includes the space between lines of text. Without this, the site clearly will not function as a tool of communication in any respect, apart from communicating to the user that you should not be designed website. The latter refers to the larger spaces between the components on view, so the space that forms the borders to the page, as well as the space that gives breathing room to the images and chunks of text you want to be clearly appreciated and understood. And clearly understanding is key to the success of your site. Passive and active. Passive white space appears whether the designer meant it to or not. It is the automatic presence of space that the text editor will insert as you create lines and paragraphs. Achieve white space is where the design has deliberately giving as more between page elements for reasons which we will go into below. As a general rule, The more distinct the elements are from each other, the more spaces there should be between them. We can reasons for using white space. Now let us take a look at why white space is used in web design. Clarity. This is enormously important. A very common mistake made by website designers is to stuff too much into a page, thereby cluttering and obscuring the general message you have trying to convey. Remember that a clean layout is a good layout. In the kind of situation where design element suffers from a lack of discipline, users are likely to face defilement and may have the site prematurely as a result. If you deliver a poor user experience like this, a high exit rate is what you can expect. Overcutting, while probably affect loading speed in the first place too. A high loading speed, high rates of abandonment. The second one is contrast. An image or a box of text can have far more impact if you surrounded it with space of a contrasting color. This sort of color scheme gives digestion space so that the users can chew over what's being imparted before encountering the next material. Contrast through white space can also be used to highlight a particular element of the site, thus encouraging the users to take a certain route by, for insurance, clicking a CTA box. Context. Sometimes you will need to establish a little bit of space to prevent the misapplication of context. An unfortunate juxtaposition of a serious point and a harmless image will do neither any favors. Framing. This is purely aesthetic image just look better with frames. And a frame is effectively a space around the picture to stop other stimuli from creeping in the intruding, forming surround a little visual, but it will massively important for any looking to start an online store. Part of the whole dynamic inevitably to be a collection of images of products. Try sticking those images hard against each other with no framing. A mess is that results. The eye naturally needs a frame in order to properly appreciate what's in front of it. Incidentally, WordPress design has some great starter features available if it's work. White space has been with us a long time. It has its roots in the approach of calligraphers and artists in early 20th century China, working with ink and rice papers. These crafty papers found meanings not just in what they added to the sheet but what remained empty. In the same way, silence of a conversation can be more expensive than any words and a space on a page can convey meaning if used in the right way at the right time. For this beginning, white space went on to characterize the modernism that became globally dominant throughout the 20th century. This cool constellation continues to echo today is the shorthanded for elegance and quality. That is why so many brands use it to great effect in their image design. WordPress can deliver in it spades with the minimalist themes.